Hi, this is a quick what's in the box for the LT76 Overhaul bundle. This includes all the bearings, gaskets and consumables for reconditioning the LT76 main box and transfer box. This kit is suitable for the Series 2A and Series 3 vehicles. In the main box kit, you get both main shaft bearings, both lay shaft bearings, the support bearing for the pinion, second and third gear bushes, the synchro rings, the springs for the synchro hub on third and fourth, various fasteners such as circlip, you get split pins, washers and tabs, and you also get the detent springs, for which are notorious for wearing out after many years. So moving on to the transfer box rebuild kit, you've got both taper roller bearings, the front output bearing, and at the back we've got the intermediate shaft bearings, as well as a circlip and various O-rings as well. And here we have all the gaskets and seals for both the main box and the transfer box. We only use and supply high quality bearings that we know and trust, so we don't supply inferior parts in any of our kits. The bearing brand may differ depending on availability at the time, but generally they are Timken, NTN, NSK, Koyo, etc. For the full list of contents, have a quick look at the product page in the link below. Okay, so a quick top tip when reconditioning the LT76 is that you will have a serial number stamped on either the top of the transfer box or on the side of the main box. Now this will be your serial number and the last letter will denote what suffix box you have. Now due to the age of these boxes and the amount of times that they potentially have been stripped and rebuilt over the course of their long life, is that you can't always guarantee that what is stamped on the side of the box is what's inside the box. So with a series we always recommend that you fully strip and inspect the core parts inside the box. So these are the gears and the shafts. You are checking for any wear and damage and ordering these at the same time. If you are needing to order any core parts, it's really important that you order like for like. So checking the tooth count on lay gears, for example.